Today we're going to look at creating a Gantt chart in Excel using formatting. I've got my list of tasks here and I'm going to add my date range across the top. I'm going to show it weekly, by selecting these two cells to show my weekly pattern. I'm going to use autofill across the top until the completion of my project. I'm then going to select these cells across the top and then format the final cell into a square, and this will reflect in my previous cells. I'm just going to also go in this grey area between 1 and 2 rows and just bring down my top cell so it's quite wide. Now you see these cells are not wide enough to display, so I'm going to select those dates, and in the alignment group and the orientation button, select rotate text up. So I've now got my date range here over the next few weeks. So I'm thinking I'm going to start with my participant selection. So if I highlight these cells, and I'm going to take 3 weeks to do that, I will fill with that colour. I'm going to overlap by a few weeks for my interview planning. I will then pilot my online package before Christmas. So in the fill colour I'm going to choose another fill in there. I'm then going to do my interviews after Christmas over a period of 4 weeks. And do my analysis after my interviews over 3 weeks. And write up my report over the remaining time. I then might want to copy and paste this into a Word document. So I can select that and copy and then paste it into Word as an image.